Hi, my name is Miss Heidi and today we're making sunflower handprints. The supplies we need for this craft are glue, scissors, a black crayon, a packet of sunflower seeds, a popsicle stick, and a yellow piece of construction paper. First, we're going to take the construction paper and we're going to trace our hand. We need 4 handprints. And then you can cut it out. I've already cut mine out. So we're going to take our handprints and we're kind of glue them together to make a big sunflower. So I'm going to start with this one and put glue on the palm. Kind of up more too on the palm so that it sticks. And we're going to glue them kind of close together so that the fingers are aligning. And press down. And then we'll add another handprint. And then we'll add our last handprint. I'm going to actually turn it around. And that will be the last one to make it look like a flower. And then we're going to take the sunflower seeds and we're going to put a lot of glue in the middle so that the seeds stay. Make a circle kind of, and then you just kind of, and you don't really have to mess with them, just make sure they're in the circle and kind of even them out a little. And then we're going to take the popsicle stick and we're going to put glue on it to put the flower on it. Press down, and this is our sunflower handprint. We hope you enjoyed this craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.